are property of the United States government and the Monarch Defense Group. Any illegal copies of these recordings will result in fines and jail time. The recordings were taken between 7:04 a.m. and 9:47 p.m. in the Seattle, Washington area. There may be disturbing content ahead. You have been warned.
Candy! All my life dreams are coming true right now. My brother, my best friend.
I can't breathe! I'm so excited I can't breathe!
I never really noticed him before, but he's...
Attention all citizens of the Seattle area. This is not a test. A large geological tremor in the Pacific Ocean has been detected. At this time, we do not know what is the cause of the tremor, but the state of Washington has put up a tsunami flash flood warning in effect until 10 p.m. Attention all citizens of the Seattle area. This is not a test. Satellite images show that the geological tremor is organic in nature. By order of the